Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placements. Okay, this is your reading about the person on your mind. Oo. So, tingnan natin kung anong meron ngayong May. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And yes, don't forget i-follow and subscribe yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Okay? So, and yeah, ang ating mga items is all available. Okay? Si Granter lang ang made to order. Okay? So, yeah. Protection from Evil Eye, Love Bracelet, si Granter, and yung ating cord cutting. Okay, so, yeah, they're all available. Excuse me. Let's see. Leo, who is the person on your mind? The person on Leo's mind. Check natin. Ano bang kailangan mong malaman sa person? Let's see. Ano bang situation nyo? Okay, yung situation muna ating kunin. Leo, situation nyo. Itong taong iniisip mo. Okay, okay. 7 of Pentacles. And 9 of Cups. Meron ditong natitake for granted. Somebody is putting, sabihin natin, more effort than the other. So, there's this sabihin natin imbalance pagdating sa situation. Some of you, there's codependency. Okay, the 9 of Cups in reversed. Yeah. Meron ditong 4 of Cups eh. Meron ditong gawa ng gawa ng gawa. Meron ditong nagbibigay, sabihin natin ng 80%, then the other is 20. Parang ganon. Okay? Some of you, merong paghihintay pagdating sa sitwasyon. Paghihintay pagdating sa mabibigyan ba ng label or magiging open ba yung inyong relationship, like open for, sabihin nating malaman ng iba na kayo, mga ganyan, like in general magkaroon ng label. Somebody's more invested than the other. Let's see, who is this person? Who are they? Who are they, Leo? Who is this? 10 of Wands in reverse. Some of you talagang pasuko ka na sa kanya. Yeah. Gusto mo nang isuko, gusto mo nang i-drop. Some of them, they're like, may pagkatamad. Hindi sila ma-effort. That's specific. Hindi sila ready for responsibilities. Pwedeng dinrap ka. 10 of Wands in reverse. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. Wala silang time para maging fair sa'yo. Hindi sila naging fair. So, yun na lang. In general, hindi sila naging fair. Lagi ka lang nagbeg. Lagi ka lang naging needy sa kanya. Yeah. That is why may codependency. So, anong meron pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo ngayon? The 4 of Cups in reverse. Okay, let's see anong emosyon niya ngayon for you. The Magician in reverse. Really? Why? The Knight of Cups. fluctuating yung emotion niya. The Three of Swords is here in reversed. The Magician is talking about manipulation. The Magician in reverse. That's manipulation. Some of you, ang pinapakita na itong emosyon is hindi totoo. The Knight of Cups, may tendency yan na mag-fluctuate or sabihin natin maging hot and cold. Okay? So, may chance ng tawag dyan, love bombing, may chance ng breadcrumb. Okay? Yeah, the Moon. Hindi sila magpapahayag ng totoo or sabihin natin kung ano yung tunay. Hindi na ipapakita eh. Iiwanan ka lang lagi nito ng sabihin nating palaisipan kung ano ba talaga yung emosyon niya for you. Sa totoo lang, they're playing your emotion. They're like playing lang. Hindi sila ganun kaseryoso. Yeah. May tendency ang mga knights na sabihin nating mag-reach out sa iba't ibang energy. Because they are, yeah, some of them, they're immature. Okay? May immaturity pa eh, itong knight. Lalo ng page. Okay? So, sa ngayon, hindi ko nakikita na totally seryoso yung tao pagdating sa'yo. Nandun yung panggagamit na ginagawa. So, tingnan natin anong next action niya towards you. Next action niya sa'yo, Leo. The Star in reversed. Ipapakita sa'yo or ipaparamdam sa'yo ng taong to na parang walang ibang gusto sa'yo kundi siya lang. Yeah. Another way of manipulation. Yeah. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles. So, may chance na kapag sinabi niyo or kapag pinaramdam niya sa'yo na parang walang tatanggap sa'yo or wala nang ibang magkakagusto sa'yo or something like wala nang ibang kukonek sa'yo kundi ako lang. Pag naiparamdam niya yung ganun, well, ano bang maiisip mo? Diba? Magstay ka. That's how they manipulate some of you. Okay? Three of Swords. Yeah. Merong sabihin nating may painful na pwedeng gawin, pwedeng iparamdam itong taong to, pero pananakot yun. Okay? Pananakot lang. Manipulator nga eh. Ano bang kayang gawin ng manipulator? Just to manipulate you. The situation, the emotion. Yun lang. That's it. Okay? So, let's see. Some of them sila yung sila yung open sa iba. Yeah. Sa totoo lang. Nandun yung pambabaliktad. Alam kasi niya na pwedeng hindi mo gagawin yun sa kanya. So, napaka-safe nung pinaparamdam mo sa kanya. Then, gagawin ko everything what I want. Parang ganun. So, let's see. Ano ba ang outcome/advice for you, Leo? The Hanged Man, Woman in reversed. Excuse me. Detach. Yeah, detach. See, the Sun. Detach. Hindi ka na happy dito. The Tower is here in reverse. Some of you, the separation is sabihin natin na po-prolong lang. Because of the attachments or because of the sabihin natin codependency or mga pang-blackmail or whatsoever na ginagawa ng taong to para hindi ka makalayo sa kanya. Tower in reversed. Ang sinasabi rito is detach and be happy. You're not happy. You're not. This is you. The Sun. Okay? Nadidrain ka dito actually. Page of Cups. So, page. Their emotion is just like this. Okay, ganyan lang. Yung sa'yo, napakalaki. Okay, so, yeah, the King of Wands in reverse, the Manipulator. So, wag mong hayaan na parang makontrol ng taong to yung kaligayahan mo, kasiyahan mo. Yun ang advice sa'yo. And yeah, it's up to you kung paano mo iaalis yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon na to. Bibigyan mo ba ng freedom? Bibigyan mo ba ng, sabihin nating, kasagutan yung sarili mo na hindi na dapat manggaling pa sa taong to kung ano man yung gusto mong malaman. Parang di naman na kailangan talaga. Sapat na yung mga nangyayari. Sapat na yung mga nararamdaman mo. Okay? So, what else? What else? Leo, what else? Situation. Kuha ulit tayo situation. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Saan ka ba ngayon? Oo, saan ka ngayong parte ng mundo ka nanonood ngayon? Diba? Comment down below. Saan ka ngayon? Ginagawa mo while watching, diba? So, Leo, saan ka nanonood? Sa cellphone ba? Sa TV ba? Diba? Share mo. Okay. Situation ng mga Leos. Anong meron? Okay, the Tower in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with a Scorpio. What's with the Tower in reverse? Meron ditong pag-avoid. The Five of Swords in reverse. Two of Wands. Oh. Meron ditong parang naisasantabi. Okay, some of you, your sanity. Yes. Okay, real talk. Your sanity. Naisasantabi mo yun. Hindi ko alam bakit. That's child. Some of you, naisasantabi dito yung mga dapat na sabihin nating gawin. So, nakakuha ko ng energy dito na meron dito na parang nagpapakamartir. Okay? So, sino ba tong person? Where's this person? Some of you, meron ditong parang napepending na pakikipag-ayos. So, kunin nyo lang kung ano yung nakaka-resonate. So, who's this person? Yeah, the Page of Cups. Somebody who is immature or somebody who is younger. Pwedeng may sabihin natin age difference sa inyong dalawa. The Page of Cups in reverse. And the Page of Swords. Yeah, this is young. This is young. Young energy. They're stalking you. Some of them, kung tama naman na yung edad niya, they're acting immature. Okay? They're immature. In general, they are immature. Ito yung taong parang iniintindi mo lang ng iniintindi. At wala siyang pakialam, kundi magpaintindi na lang. Ang dami nitong sablay. Yes. Some of you, itong taong to hindi nila naipapakita yung or nai-express yung totoong emosyon. Because yeah, some of them is immature emotionally. Okay? Yeah, Temperance in reverse. Madalas kayong mag-away nito. Hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Oo. So, lagi mo lang talagang inuuna tong taong to. Your sanity is sabihin nating tinago mo na. Oo. So, some of you, you're stressed pagdating sa situation. You are stressed. Okay, sige, iyaan ko lang, stress ako. Yung aking sanity, tatago ko lang muna dito sa bodega. Parang ganon. Iyain na. Iyain na muna, intindihin ko lang to. Mga kaimatsura ng taong to, okay, sige, intindihin ko na lang. Madalas kayong mag-away nito. Okay? Hindi kasi siya marunong makinig, some of them. Hard-headed. What's their emotion? What is their emotion? Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reversed. Hindi mo mapapasang-ayon to. Some of you, this person, sabihin natin, they're just into you, like, physically. Some of you, they're just into sex. They just want you na makaganon. Okay? The Ace of Wands in reversed. Some of you, sabihin natin nasa, nasa sex, tawag dyan, sex-based. Sex-based connection. Knight of Cups. Yeah. Sex-based connection. The Three of Pentacles is here in reversed. So, meron di pagkakaintindihan, no? So, the Three of Pentacles in reverse is talking about walang magandang kooperasyon eh. Hindi talaga nakikiyas, 'di ba? Hindi ko talaga nakikita na may magandang kooperasyon sa inyo kasi iniintindi mo na lang to. So, meaning to say, kahit ayaw mo, iniintindi mo na lang. So, walang fairness. Okay? Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you, sabihin nating gusto mo tong taong to because pwedeng maganda, gwapo sila, something like that. May pagka non-committal ang Nine of Pentacles po, ha? Non-committal. So, iisipin lang niya yung sarili niya. Okay? So, hindi malayo na talagang magkagulo kayo nito kasi hindi ka naman talaga totally iniisip all about themselves. Mararamdaman niya, may isip niya. What is their next action? The Chariot. And Two of Pentacles. Kagulo pa rin. Hindi mo pa rin maintindihan ang gusto ng taong to. Okay? Yeah, Judgment. Hindi rin niya alam kung anong gusto niya eh. Okay? Kung ano man ang kailangan dito sa sitwasyon, hindi ko nakikita na kaya niya i-provide. Na kaya niyang maging responsible. They're a juggler, some of them. Andun yung energy na parang lagi silang nagdadalawang isip or parang hindi sila marunong dumesisyon ng kanila. Yeah, sabihin natin, gusto kong gawin to. Pero, yeah, there's a lot of, sabihin natin delays, procrastinations na ginagawa ito ng taong to. Okay? Merong gustong may ayos pagdating sa situation. I don't know if the situation ba or kung doon sa person mismo meron kang mga gustong ayusin pagdating sa kanya, mag-grow, mag-progress. Pero they're not. Hindi po natin pwedeng turuan ng isang tao gawin na maging responsible sila. Parang ganun eh. Hindi natin pwedeng iutos sa kanila, maging responsable ka man. Maging responsable ka naman. Hindi natin magagawa yun eh. It's up to them kung susunod ba sila sa'yo or hindi. Hindi natin din pwedeng sabihin sa tao na, hoy, mag-grow ka naman. No. Okay? Pwede natin sabihin, pero ewan kung susundin ka or, di ba? Anyway. Outcome / advice. The Star. And the Six of Wands. magkaroon ng motivation sana. Okay? I don't know kung siya yung taong kailangan mong gawing motivation. Oo, para mas mag-grow ka pa, Leo. Okay? Maybe vice versa. Okay? The Knight of Pentacles is here in reversed. This is fixing. Fixing, pagkakaroon ng plano, pagkakaroon ng, sabihin nating, thinking about the future, something like that. Improvement. Kaso kung hindi nga kayo magkakaroon ng pagkakaintindihan ng taong to pagdating sa mga plano, then sablay to. Okay? Some of you, kung ikaw, sa tingin mo, mas mataas yung frequency mo, mas mataas yung, sabihin nating, mas ahead ka, oo, sa energy niya, hindi mo kailangan bumaba. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan bumaba para magtagpo kayo. Hindi mo kailangang laging lang intindihin itong taong to para maging okay kayo, para magtagpo. Okay? Madali namang bumaba, di po ba? Madali, Diyos ko. Mahirap umakyat. So, it's up to them kung ikaw ba'y hahabulin niya sa same frequency na meron ka. Kung hindi niya kaya, then this person is not for you. Hindi kayo magka-frequency nito. Okay? Hindi. Ace of Wands Universe, iba ang gusto nito eh. Magkaiba kayo. The way you think, the way they think, sobrang layo. Okay? So, yeah, the Fool, the Magician in reverse. Some of them, they're too, sabihin natin, feeling safe, feeling secured. Dito sa connection na meron. That is why, para silang nasa safe zone, para silang nasa comfort zone nila. Which is you. So, wala silang rason para mag-grow. Okay? Kung ikaw itong intindi sa mga kapalpakan ng taong to, sa mga kaimatsurhan, di po ba? You're not teaching them how to grow. You're not. Kung lagi mong iniintindi. Okay? So, it's up to you kung ipapakita mo sa taong to na kailangan mong humabol, kailangan mong mag-grow ng iyo. So, kung hindi sila humabol, well, andyan yung mangyayari. The Tower na naka-reverse, talaga namang sabihin nating napoprolong lang. Kailangan na yung separation. Some of you. Okay, so, kung hindi kayo magtagpo, hindi kanya mahabol, maabot, then, universe will make their way. Will take action. Sa ayaw at sa gusto. Iaalis nila tong taong to sa'yo. Or ikaw ang iaalis niya. Ikaw ang iaalis ni universe sa taong to. Ganun lang. Okay? Kasi hindi kayo magka-frequency, hindi kayo magka-level. So, ang mangyari dyan, hindi naman po kami na-aalis eh. Well, decision yun. Okay? Ano bang meron sa sitwasyon? It's not healthy. Why? You're fighting the current na ibinibigay ni universe sa inyo. Yung dapat na mangyari, you're just fighting it. Like, ayoko. Okay? So, all signs. Yeah. Let's go to all signs. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. So, Aries, they want justice. Some of them, some of you, pwedeng hindi mo tinitingnan kung ano talaga yung dapat tingnan sa sitwasyon. Taurus, they have secrets. They're lying, some of them. They're sneaky. Gemini, walang pakialam sa'yo si Gemini. Sorry. Cancer, ginagamit ka ni Cancer. I'm sorry. Leo, a lot of blockages. There's imbalance. Virgo, they like you. Some of you, there's this sneaky bitch. Meron ditong third party, some of you. Libra, they're into their money, sabihin natin. Yeah. Some of them, they're focusing on their career, finance in general. Scorpio, self-centered person. Bossy. Sagittarius, they're bitter. Capricorn, they want communication. Some of you, pwedeng merong kinakausap si Capricorn na hindi mo alam. Aqua, ang daming gustong mangyari ni Aqua. Ang daming niyang plano. Kabilat kanan. Kaliwat kanan. Pisces, they love you unconditionally. Yeah, meron ditong nagagamit. Dito sa side na to ni Pisces. I don't know who's who ang nanggagamit. Pero somebody's too, sabi natin blind. Okay? Sabi natin too naive pagdating sa situation. Kasi somebody's, sabi natin, sobrang bait. Or talagang hindi lang tinitingnan yung mali sa sitwasyon. Anyway, so there. Yan ang ating reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our every page. Thank you. Bye.